This just in. Scientists in Lithuania have trained squirrels to walk electrical lines and determine where breaks in the line are. This allows for less downtime after severe weather, allowing line crews to find and fix the breaks quicker. After 5 years of training and study, they have determined that the squirrels can correctly identify breaks at an almost 90% accuracy. They are hoping that the litters of the trained squirrels will already have the instinct in them and will be easier to train. This is Anna Banana reporting for FOC News.